Now then, welcome to the Bosh Boys vlog. Look how nice it is today. Absolutely delicious weather. And we are blessed today because today we are heading off into central London to record the next stage of our audiobook, How to Live Vegan. Also, if you're enjoying these vlogs, please subscribe to the channel, tell us what you think about them down below, and we're going to take you on today's journey, and it should be a very good one. Come on, let's go. Quick pit stop in Planet Organic to grab a little bit of healthy breakfast to power us through today.
Hello gang, how you doing? Ready?
Hello.
What have we got in store for today?
A lot of vegan words.
Yes.
Just look at how sexy this equipment looks. Audiobook recording round one is done. Quite hard to stay focused and talking naturally and conversationally for like 2 hours, but we did it. Now we're gonna go and grab a little bit of lunch at Veggie Prep, which is a sandwich shop that have loads of gorgeous veggie options. In fact, they love veggie food so much, they made their own veggie cafe. Here it is, Veggie Prep. Terrible, terrible news. Those empty shelves meant there was very little vegan food in Pret, so we're heading elsewhere for a vegan lunch. We found our way into Crush, where they have some vegan options on the shelves. Pret had nothing, and I've gone for their Fit Bowl. This is like eating the rainbow. So we've got curried chickpeas on here, some gorgeous matchstick veggies, and a load of what looks like rice, maybe cauliflower rice. Looks gorgeous and healthy. Look at that. Very tasty. Crust has done well.
This is a falafel and hummus wrap. Have a little nibble, see what's going on. A nice amount of veggies in there for crunch. The falafel is really well seasoned, and the hummus has got a nice sort of citrusy tang to it. This is a very good falafel wrap off the shelf. I also went for vegan health pot. So from the idea here is it's courgette, which is spaghetti made out of courgette, with kale and walnut pesto and some peas. I'm just going to have to nick Henry's fork. No! Yeah. Oh well. And that's really, really nice. The pesto's not too punchy, but it's got enough punch. The peas, obviously really fresh and sweet. And the courgette, just better than pasta. Really, really delicious. Like that. And obviously for the health, we got 2 green juices. So there you have it, today's vlog. Short but sweet one. Today has been really, really cool. The audiobook recording is going extremely well, and this place is like a proper serious studio. It's really cool. So if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you thought below, and we will see you tomorrow.